guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your name card on your game Genshin Impact. So guys, first of all, you just need to sign in to your account and open your game like I have. And once you're in the game, just go ahead and look at the top left corner over here, and once you tap there, you'll see this page. So guys, your name card is what appears on the top. As you can see, my name card is blue and has a door on it. That's a name card. So if you want to change your name card to something different, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this pen like button over here right next to my username. And once you tap there, you can see the third option that says change name card. Once you tap there, now you can change your name card to whatever that you want. You have many options right here, and once you complete quests, you will unlock more name cards like this. Hey guys, that's how you change your name card in Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.